off to the meeting for Oceania study group. Photo from Honolulu, and there I am all the way at the back.
We can just start there. Thanks to Kirk Sullivan who helped organise it, and we had a program committee which had many of you as
Alright, I'm just kneeling down here because I'm charging my phone before the plenary session starts, which I'm speaking in. So here's the venue that I'm in. With the wind in my sail on the sea, the wind in my sail on the sea stays behind me. One day I'll know it stays behind me. Who we found? Yep, that's the one. That's her TikTok. Hi, Amy.